Hey guys, welcome back to West Coast Gardener. Today I'm going to do something a bit different, not doing vegetables. Today I have a small deck at the back of my house and I have this little plant stand. So I'm going to do a bit of planting in pots and just spruce it up, and I think that you'll really like it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if this is your first time here, and you can hit that bell so that you get notifications, and give the video a thumbs up if you like. And make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to be showing a blooper of me trying to start the blower to clean up my workspace. Let's get started. So just to apologize quickly, it's really windy, so you might hear that wind noise because we have about like 300 trees around us and the rustling is quite loud. And my cat really wants a lot of attention right now. So anyway, I've got potting mix and I've mixed it with some compost and I'm going to fill these containers with that. But first, what I do, and I got this from Laura from Garden Answer, it's a great tip. You just put a coffee filter at the bottom. So then when you water your plants, no dirt comes out when you're watering it, which just keeps your deck or patio clean. So the first thing I'll do is fill it with my soil compost mixture, and then I will put in my petunias. I've got 3, I think they're 6-inch pots, 2 10. I bought these a while ago, so I don't remember. And I've got 2 of the larger, I think these are 14. So I'm going to put 2 of the Super Tunia Bordeaux in, and then I'll put 1 of the white Super Tunias. And I got these at an awesome deal. They were clearance, so they were $1 each. So I was able to buy about 30, and I even put some in my front flower beds. So just loosen these. Loosen the roots a tiny bit. They've been in there for a while, and I'm just gonna nestle that in. And I will do this one. And you'll see my plan for the other ones is to do 1 row of white and 1 row of these gorgeous Super Tunias, and then the bottom, which is this row, will have a mixture. I got all of these on clearance, and there's a reason why. They're all really leggy and they need a trim, and you can trim about 20% off without really affecting the plant. It would cut all the blooms off, and that will end up causing a good growth coming in, and the plant will be stronger for it. But I might wait until after the weekend because my grandma's coming to visit, and I think she'd really like to see it this way. So that's how I'll show it to you. And I'll just fill in some soil around the edges. Now these white in particular kind of look like death. They look long and brown and leggy, but they are going to be really nice after they get established in their pots and they get watered a little bit more and they grow for a bit after I prune them. So I'm just going to finish up the rest of these pots and I will show you the final product. So I'm all done, and I think these guys look awesome. I love when the planters get that little mineral finish just from the water that we have in our area. And it's great. I've got the 2 white petunias on this level, and the bottom has the Super Tunia Bordeaux with the white Super Tunias as well. And the top is the Bordeaux Super Tunias. So I did end up doing a little bit of trimming just because they are so leggy, and I probably will do a bit more. And I would just snip right there and there and there, just about 20% of the plant. If you do too much, then that's just too taxing on them and they can't recover as easily. And like I said, we used compost in it, and so that will help provide nutrients so we can get lots of flowers and just huge blooms. And again, you also want full sun so that you can get a really gorgeous plant. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you here next time. So this is me trying to start the blower. Let's see. So I turn it on and I have to push this a couple times. I've started this before. It's just really hit and miss. Okay. And I usually put my foot on it, and you can see my garden slippers now. And because I hurt my thumb if I don't put my foot on it. So hard. if I've got it turned on the wrong setting. Take off my sweater. I don't know. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Low, high. It like grabs on, and like I have had a thumb surgery, so I don't want to injure my thumb again. I hate this. Okay, here we go. It just about grabbed there. And then it stalls. I really feel like I should be setting it up differently.